Welcome to the PXETH demo. Redacted introduces Dinero is money, and today what we're going to do is show you the new 2-token model with both PXETH and APXETH. We're going to show you how you can mint both of these assets and of course earn those staking rewards. Now before we jump in, we just need to do an introduction to both of these assets. PXETH is built on top of the Redacted DAO's Pirex platform and forms an integral part of the Dinero protocol. Now PXETH itself doesn't earn ETH staking rewards, however, the Redacted DAO will incentivize PXETH integrations throughout DeFi, offering some really unique yield opportunities for PXETH holders. APXETH is the second asset, and that is the asset that earns that ETH staking reward. Now because only one of these assets earns the staking reward, there is a monetary premium, and that enables APXETH to earn a higher staking yield than that compared to other staking providers. Now to get started, head to Dinero is money and you'll be able to launch the application there. Once you've launched the application, you'll enter this interface where you'll be able to see where you can stake and unstake your ETH. Now to get started, we first need to connect our wallet. You can do this by clicking in the top right corner. There's lots of options for wallets, but also the option for email, Facebook, Google, and Twitter as well. Now one thing you'll notice is I'm currently on Testnet. In future, this will be on mainnet, but for now, we're just going to be using the Testnet version. Now on the mint screen, we've got two options. We can take our ETH and either mint PXETH or we can mint APXETH. We'll start off with minting PXETH. Now essentially what's happening is our ETH is deposited into the Dinero protocol in exchange for PXETH. And whilst PXETH doesn't earn ETH staking rewards, as we've mentioned already, there will be lots of incentives within DeFi offering yield opportunities for PXETH. Now this underlying ETH is staked, and that reward will go to the APXETH holders. Now when minting APXETH with ETH, essentially what's happening is this ETH is first getting converted into PXETH, and then it gets deposited into the APXETH also compounding vault in one single transaction. And in doing so, you'll earn the staked Ethereum rewards paid in PXETH from the Dinero protocol. Now once you've decided which deposit to make, input the total amount of ETH you want to stake. In this case, we're going to select 0.1 and simply just select mint. You can confirm this in your wallet, pay the transaction fees, and that will be it. And you're done. You'll now see that I have a balance of 0.1 PXETH. I'm now going to do the same thing and mint a PXETH. Again, we're just going to confirm that in our wallet, sign the transaction, pay the gas fees. Now you can see my APXETH balance is also up on screen, as well as my PXETH balance. Now, if you've managed to mint some PXETH, but now you want to earn that staking reward, what you can do is you can hit this tab over here and stake your PXETH into APXETH. Again, it's as simple as just pressing this, approving and confirming that transaction. If you want to unstake, again, you can do the same thing here directly on this tab. Now to withdraw from PyreXETH, head to the withdraw tab on the top. Now on this tab, you'll have the option to withdraw your PXETH either using Pirex or using DEX aggregators. You can see that when using Pirex, there is up to a 3-day waiting period. However, with aggregators, this will be a little bit quicker, but generally you might find that your rate won't be 1-to-1 with aggregators. Rather, with Pirex, it will always be 1-to-1. Now, you will actually have the option to use both APXETH and PXETH. Now, because I'm on Testnet, I believe I've only got the option to use PXETH. And if you're using a DEX aggregator, APXETH is first converted to PXETH before being sold for ETH. But if you're holding PXETH like I am here, it will just be directly sold for ETH. And you can see some of the options that we've got here with Llama Swap, 1inch and CowSwap, and we can go directly to these pages as well if we wanted to. Now, once a withdrawal request has been made, you can go to the claim tab and you'll be able to see your ETH available here. So I hope that's made it clear. We've talked about both PXETH and APXETH as well as the differences between them. Remember, PXETH does not earn the staking reward. However, APXETH does, and it will be a premium compared to that of other liquid staking derivatives. In addition, PXETH will be incentivized by the Redacted DAO, so there will be lots of yield opportunities there. We hope that this has made it clear, and in due time we'll have plenty more content to show you regarding Dinero.